So in this video, you'll learn how to return the missing camera shortcut on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if the camera shortcut is no longer visible on your A36 lock screen and you want to restore it, this is what you need to do. Start by accessing the lock screen editor, and you can do this by long pressing on your lock screen, entering in your current PIN, password or pattern, and then it will bring you the lock screen editor. And the second is by going to the settings app directly. And then from here, you want to scroll and select lock screen and AOD. Then you want to tap on edit lock screen, and this will bring you to the lock screen editor. Once here, it's now time to add the camera shortcut. So you can choose to add it either on the left or on the right hand side of the lock screen. And then once you've selected either option, you then want to tap on it like this, and then you'll be brought to this actions menu. So you want to scroll down until you find camera, and then you want to select it like that, and you can see the icon has changed from Call of Duty to the camera option. Then you need to tap on done to save and apply the changes. And so now, whenever you glance at the lock screen of your Galaxy A36, you should see the missing camera icon. If you ever want to launch the camera from the lock screen, then you can just swipe from either left or right hand side of the screen towards the middle like this, and the camera should launch on your A36. Again, if you want to get out, you can swipe up if you're using gestures, or you can use the back button if you're using the buttons option. Again, you can just swipe, and then you can tap on back, or just swipe up to exit the camera. And so that's how you can add the missing camera icon to the lock screen of your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.